A cleaner home begins with smarter, more powerful tools. Whether you're balancing a demanding schedule, tackling stubborn pet hair, or managing a mix of carpets and hard floors, the right vacuum can completely transform your cleaning routine. The products below are carefully selected for their performance, durability, and innovative features. From heavy-duty uprights built for deep carpet extraction to lightweight handhelds for quick spot cleaning, advanced cordless sticks with intelligent sensors, versatile canisters for detailed work, and fully automated robot vacuums for effortless upkeep, there's a solution for every household. All product links are in the description, and for more expert recommendations, visit thedetailedguide.com. Number 8. Hoover WindTunnel TangleGuard Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. The Hoover WindTunnel TangleGuard Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is built to power through everyday messes with confidence. Designed by Hoover, it features wind tunnel suction technology that lifts and removes deeply embedded dirt from carpets while remaining effective on hard floors. The TangleGuard brush roll actively minimizes hair wrap, making it an excellent option for pet owners tired of constant maintenance. Its multi-cyclonic filtration system helps maintain consistent suction even as the dirt cup fills. Emptying is simple and mess-free thanks to the easy-release dust container. Adjustable height settings allow seamless transitions between floor types, and swivel steering make maneuvering around furniture smooth and controlled. Number 7. BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus. Pet owners will appreciate the thoughtful design of the BISSELL 24613 Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus. Created by BISSELL, this upright vacuum focuses on tackling stubborn pet hair with precision. Its tangle-free brush roll prevents hair wrap, reducing maintenance while maintaining powerful performance. Strong suction effectively lifts fur, dirt, and debris from carpets and hard surfaces alike. The Smart Seal allergen system helps trap dust and allergens inside the machine, supporting cleaner indoor air. Specialized pet tools make it easy to remove hair from stairs, upholstery, and car interiors. Lightweight construction and swivel steering enhance maneuverability around tight corners and furniture. The easy empty dirt tank simplifies cleanup after use. Designed for efficiency and convenience, this vacuum is a dependable solution for homes with shedding pets. Number 6. Kenmore Elite 3150 Pet-Friendly Bagged Upright Beltless Vacuum. If deep carpet cleaning is your priority, the Kenmore Elite 31150 delivers serious power and durability. Manufactured by Kenmore, this upright vacuum features a beltless agitator system engineered for long-lasting performance and consistent suction. It aggressively lifts embedded dirt and pet hair from thick carpets while remaining adaptable to different floor heights. The sealed HEPA filtration system captures fine dust and allergens, making it ideal for allergy-sensitive households. A wide cleaning path covers more area in fewer passes, saving time during large cleaning sessions. Onboard tools extend reach to furniture, stairs, and hard-to-access spaces. Built for strength and reliability, the Elite 31150 is well-suited for high-traffic homes that demand powerful, dependable cleaning results. Number 5. Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim combines cutting-edge technology with lightweight convenience. Developed by Dyson, this cordless vacuum uses a laser-equipped cleaner head to reveal microscopic dust that might otherwise go unnoticed. Intelligent sensors automatically adjust suction power depending on debris levels and floor type, maximizing both efficiency and battery life. The LCD screen provides real-time performance data, including particle counts and remaining runtime. Its fully sealed filtration system captures fine particles, improving overall air quality. The slim design makes it easy to maneuver and convert into a handheld unit for cars, upholstery, and stairs. With fade-free battery performance and hygienic bin emptying, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim offers advanced precision cleaning in a sleek, compact form. Number 4. Kenmore 600 Series Pet-Friendly Lightweight Bagged Vacuum. The Kenmore 600 series offers versatile whole home cleaning in a maneuverable canister design. From Kenmore, this vacuum includes the motorized Pet PowerMate tool, engineered to remove stubborn pet hair from carpets and upholstery. The bagged system securely contains dust and allergens, helping maintain cleaner indoor air. Its telescoping wand and multiple attachments allow easy cleaning of stairs, curtains, baseboards, and tight corners. Variable suction control ensures optimal performance on both delicate rugs and dense carpets. The lightweight canister glides smoothly, and swivel steering enhances precision in narrow spaces. Built for flexibility and durability, this model adapts easily to various cleaning tasks, making it a practical choice for pet-friendly households with mixed flooring. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum Cordless. For quick cleanups and everyday messes, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster offers compact convenience. Produced by BLACK+DECKER, this cordless handheld vacuum is perfect for kitchens, stairs, furniture, and car interiors. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle provide comfortable operation during spot cleaning. Strong suction efficiently picks up crumbs, dirt, and small debris, while the wide mouth opening handles larger particles with ease. A washable dirt bowl and filter make maintenance simple and cost-effective. The translucent dustbin lets you monitor debris levels at a glance. Easy to charge and store, this handheld vacuum is ideal between deep cleaning sessions. Practical, portable, and efficient, it delivers fast results whenever small messes appear. Number 2. Miele Boost CX1 Cat and Dog. Engineered for powerful and hygienic cleaning, the Miele Boost CX1 Cat and Dog combines compact design with premium performance. Crafted by Miele, it features vortex technology for strong airflow and deep suction across carpets and hard floors. The turbo brush attachment is specially designed to lift embedded pet hair from rugs and upholstery. Its bagless system works alongside a HEPA air clean filter to capture fine dust and allergens. Despite its robust power, the vacuum remains compact and easy to maneuver. Adjustable suction settings allow precise control depending on the surface being cleaned. Known for durability and engineering excellence, the Miele Boost CX1 Cat and Dog is an excellent investment for pet owners seeking long-term performance and superior filtration. Number 1. eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max. For effortless hands-free cleaning, the eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max offers reliable automation in a slim profile. Designed by eufy, this robotic vacuum glides under furniture to remove dust, crumbs, and pet hair without interrupting your day. Boost IQ technology automatically increases suction when transitioning onto carpets for deeper cleaning. Its tempered glass top adds durability and a sleek appearance. Advanced sensors help prevent collisions and falls, ensuring safe navigation around obstacles and stairs. Quiet operation allows it to clean while you work, relax, or sleep. Multiple cleaning modes and scheduling features provide customizable convenience. Compact yet powerful, the 11S Max keeps floors consistently clean with minimal effort. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more valuable content.